And when I stand up for myself, he threatens to call the police and revoke my membership.
You need something? You need something? Do you need something? No. Do you need something? Do you need something? No. Okay, I thought so. Keep it pushing.
If you're getting rude, you can leave. Nobody was looking at you any type of way. I don't own the gym, I work here.
Okay.
Yes. And if you're getting rude, then you can leave.
That means what?
I can call the police and have you trespass right now. Would you like that?
Go ahead.
Okay, cool.
Go ahead, let them know.
That's what we'll do. So right now, you can take your stuff and head up front.
We talking about a TikToker that went viral for thirst trapping at a gym, caught an employee looking, then start getting nasty, then play victim to a TikTok followers, man. But don't worry though, the employer handled it correctly. He's like, yo, leave all that thirst trapping for Instagram, beat it.
Fits. I used to wear the sports bra and I'd wear either the spandex pants, or I didn't have the ones where the seam went like that because that wasn't a trend yet where you could literally see the crack of the hiney. That was not in. But I did go to the gym and I wore fitted clothes. And do you know why I did that? Because I liked the attention. Because I like to feel like I was getting my body good in shape and people were noticing. And maybe, just maybe, I would meet a guy in the gym. And you know what happened? I met my husband in the gym. Because he saw me in my cute little outfit, booty was looking cute, and he was like, I think I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna try to get a taste of that, you know? That's what happened. But I wasn't delusional and I wasn't lying to everyone. I was like, yeah, sometimes I would take a picture. You could probably go back and find one of me on the Stairmaster, when I was single, like, yeah, but I wasn't lying to you. I was like, yeah, I'm proud of my booty. I work hard on my booty and I want y'all to, hey, is the booty looking good? Good, yeah, thumbs up. You know, I was single though. Now you have these single girls.
My best friend noticed a creep just staring at me while I was working out.
These two young ladies right here was actually recording a live
Here we
video
go again.
on social media. She's not actually recording a video. They was live.
5, 6, 7. Bro, what are you looking at? Like you keep looking in between her legs, like you're being a creep. You're being a creep. Like stop. You're not even working out. You're not even working out. Like go.
But I'm saying just go somewhere else, please.
Yeah. Like you're being.
If you're just using those dumbbells to just go somewhere else, please. So you're like just standing right
really
in front of her. How weird.
For anybody who went to the gym and used this particular equipment right here, you know that this is a very vulnerable machine to use. If she's that bothered by this, why she got that camera pointing directly in her crowd? Why don't her friend just take something and cover?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's the reason when I go to the gym, I see a female, I automatically put my head down just like this. Or like, if I see a female working close to me, I just close my eyes while I'm doing my set. Like, that's literally what a lot of these females done did to people like me. I'm one of the guys who advocate for having all male gyms. You feel what I'm saying? Because I just dealing with stuff like this, man, it's crazy, bro, man. And a lot of time men don't be staring at women. We be trying to look and see when they're gonna get done BSing on the equipment I'm trying to use. You know what I'm saying? I probably go over and check like, man, is she done over there? Cause she ain't doing nothing but taking pictures over there. And I'm trying to go use the machine. You feel what I'm saying? But bro, let's keep it going, man.
For her friend up, throw a sweater around her waist or throw a little towel between her legs. Like, but why is you filming right between your legs and then you finna post it to 1 million people online for the world to see it?
Gym creep was staring at me and this happened.
You've in this. Where's the gym creep?
He put on a blindfold lol.
See, that's me. That's 100%, bro. Like, cause they be trying to, females be doing this for views. You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh, when I go in the gym, please, these guys stop staring at me and help, bro. Come, bro. It literally pissed me off really bad to think that some of these females think that, you know what I'm saying, is that they're that important. It pissed me off, literally, man. I ain't even lying.
Man can't even have a good arm day workout over there. But that's how focused we be in the gym. We're trying to focus in on that mind and muscle
No
connection.
lie.
This is why girls don't feel safe in the gym. Look at this creep standing behind me. I couldn't believe the audacity.
Hey, can I get past? You're standing in the doorway for the exit.
This guy could have easily used the fire exit or the roof, but he just wanted to perv on me. All men are pigs.
Watch this creep come over to my personal bubble while doing our DLS. The gym was practically empty, and so many corners to be in, and he chose this one. I've been in this corner for 10 minutes before him and only had one set left. So I started recording him, so now we're all uncomfortable together. He was literally staring at my Pikachu before this.
Come on, bro. He's literally working out. He's working out, bro.
I think these ladies forget that the gym is an open gym. It belongs to all the members that's in it. Even the
But all females, they need their own gym. But I can guarantee you, if they created an all-female gym, they wouldn't even go to it. Tell me I ain't lying. Because you know why? Because they can't do stuff like this. They can't do stuff like this, like attention clout. You know what I'm saying? Attention seeking stuff. They can't do stuff like this in the gym. So they wouldn't even go to the all-female gym. You feel what I'm saying? But all men gym, oh, to be men enough for sure. Because we be serious when we work out. We ain't going enough for pictures and all of the other stuff. You know what I'm saying?
guys they think are creepy, just move and go find another corner of the gym to work out in.
Guys, don't be like this. Didn't even say excuse me.
No, because if you say something, they're going to call you a creep. They're going to say, oh, he's tried to talk to me. He said, excuse me. No, he did, right? Don't say nothing. Just go and grab your waist and leave.
And then, wait for it.
What happened?
Proceeds to walk in front of me while holding 95 pounds DBS in each hand right before starting my set.
I think you being upset in this video has less...
I think he just put the weights back. I mean, that's what I saw.
to do with that man's actions and more to do with the fact that you had already set up your camera to take your video and you didn't want to move from the center of it, or you didn't want anybody getting in the way. Regardless, you should never be in front of the dumbbell rack hitting a set.
This creepy guy was bothering me and my best friend at the bar. He bought us drinks from across the way, made weird comments, and would not stop staring. You're making us uncomfortable, sir. We left for a few hours, came back, and he returned at the same time. Weird.
Hey, that's what these ladies get for accepting drinks.
They
from
shouldn't
strangers.
accept
They
it,
thought
yeah,
they was
but
just accepting something for free.
I ain't gonna lie, that was kind of creepy though. That one was creepy now, for sure. The dude was kind of looking at him kind of crazy.
But they learning ain't nothing for free. But this man here is definitely weird.
Shopify has everything you need to grow your retail business, like fast and secure checkout,
you gotta get paid,
reliable card readers.
I hope that's a skit.
She needs a tuck. Tuck it up. You see, now the gussie covered from the front and the glutes are showing from the back. We're showing in the back. Now this is where a man's gonna come in and he says, women, they show their glutes, they tuck up their shirts, but they don't want us to look. It is true though.
Now to make this glute dominant, you gotta get a good deep bend in your knees. Stopping just below your kneecaps, hinging right back up. Think about pulling with your glutes, not your back. 6, 7.
I like her. At least she's honest. They want their butt and glue sticking out so guys can stare and look at it. Us as men will get over women in the gym doing this as long as they was honest about it.
How long have you been coming gym for?
2 months.
Okay.
I'm joking, I've actually been coming to the gym for like a year.
A year, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think that women-only gyms should exist?
Yes.
Oh, for sure?
Yeah.
Why do you think?
As a Muslim, I feel like Muslim women should be able to come to the gym and like not have males there.
Do you think women-only gyms should exist?
To a certain extent, yes. Because I know there are some guys that can be like a bit pervy sometimes.
Yeah.
So do you think there's like a need for ladies-only gyms?
So my question to you is, do you think that women-only gyms should exist?
Most women say that they feel harassed in gyms, then I feel like that's something that all of them should come together to talk about.
We need a girls-only gym. We need a girls-only gym in Trinidad.
Miss Lady, you're speaking for yourself, huh? I just go to the gym for 2 reasons only. 1, to work out, and 2, take a partner. Serious thing. And this is me outing myself here. So for any of the men who have ever worked out at any of the gyms I've ever been to, and you probably was thinking to yourself, is this woman checking me out? Yes, I was.
See, she was honest.
Oh shit, she's about to fail her squat.
Oh shit.
No,
Alright guys, alright,
someone
someone help her.
She's got a camera. I'm not a gym creep. I need food.
She needs
I'm
help.
hungry. I'm married. I'm married.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm married.
Hey, that's funny though.
These guys
That's
are some smart
hilarious.
men. She's strong and independent. She'll figure it out. This just goes to show how guys don't even feel safe at the gym anymore. Last weekend when I was in the gym, I saw this girl working out in the gym and she actually needed some help. And she got a little caught under the machine, but she was actually recording it. So I was just like, I'm not going over there to help her because I didn't want to be in her video online just in case she decided to post it.
right
So I actually got off the machine, grabbed my bag, and went over to the other side of the gym, act like I didn't even see her. Now I did actually felt a little bad about it later, but I didn't want anyone to assume that I was being a creep the moment I would try to help her. Like, it's like you're damn if you do, you're damn if you don't. But anyways, that's all I got in this video. You guys definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about women in the gym as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Like the video.
Hey, but y'all go check him out. He's dating right. DATINGWRIGHT. That's the video. Dating right. But hey man, y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments, man, about that, man. Tell me if y'all had any instances dealing with this stuff. Bro, I make sure I don't look. I literally go in there. I close my eyes when I do sets. If I see a female, I look the other way. If a female come close to me, I go the other way. You feel what I'm saying, bro? I got PTSD from that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not finna be a gym creep. I'm not finna be a gym creep. You know what I'm saying? But hey, see you guys next video. Let's get it.